हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आपने मेरे लास्ट व्लॉग में देखा होगा कि मैंने अपनी जर्नी केरला की स्टार्ट की थी फ्रॉम कोची टू वागमन। सो अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है सो आई विल लिंक इट राइट अबव हेयर, आप प्लीज़ देख लो जाके। एंड इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कि वागमन में क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं कवर करने के लिए। सो व्हाट आर वी वेटिंग फॉर, लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो।
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
So I started my journey at 9 a.m. from Kochi, बट वागमन पहुँचते पहुँचते मुझे लगभग 1 बज गया था बिकॉज़ रास्ता बहुत ही अमेजिंग था एंड वी मेट सो मैनी वाटरफॉल्स, then tea gardens, and most importantly, rain throughout our journey.
Searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
So finally, I reached my beautiful property. It's Wagman Moon Palace. It's a 2-floor property and each floor is having 2 rooms, and the food here is quite amazing.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
Moving ahead, we booked a jeep to explore Wagman and do some off-roading.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
So this was the first point, and the name is Kotamala Viewpoint. It's a tall mountain peak situated in Western Ghats. It is approximately 12 kilometers from Wagman.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
After Kotamala, I headed towards another viewpoint.
This is a good day as any to start the rebuilding of life.
So after this spectacular ride, we reached Dam Reservoir Viewpoint, where you will get full view of Idukki Dam.
Under the knife, and I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today,
Another 5-minute ride from Dam Reservoir Viewpoint, we reached Ullupuna.
tomorrow, today is a good day to live.
It offers majestic view of waterfall on one side, and on the other side there is Kappakanam Tunnel. This is a man-made tunnel running for 3 kilometers almost.
Excuses were 2 for a penny.
Heading towards the last viewpoint of today, commonly known as Suicide Point, also known as Upukanu Viewpoint. The road to this point offers tea plantation which are amazing.
borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day to
Meanwhile, it started raining, which made our journey even more beautiful.
tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today and not tomorrow.
इतनी बारिश के बाद जब हम अपने व्यू पॉइंट पे पहुंचे तो वहाँ पे सिर्फ फॉग ही था हर तरफ and eventually we were not able to capture the landscapes.
Today is a good day today. It's a good day today. It's a good day today.
And that's how we ended our journey for the day one. Another day and a beautiful morning. इस मॉर्निंग की स्टार्ट एक सनराइज से हुई और आज का हमारा प्लान था वागमन की टूरिस्टी प्लेसेस को कवर करना. सो आफ्टर हैविंग एन अमेजिंग ब्रेकफास्ट वी स्टार्टेड विद अ डे 2.
Was in the crowd but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb. A tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up.
डे 2 प्लान स्टार्टेड और सबसे पहले हमने विजिट किया वागमन मीडोज.
Time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted.
Wagman's main attraction is the massive stretch of 17 meadows. Tourists can visit the meadows and trek for a little while, go for boating on the Wagman Meadows Lake, and relax in the picturesque tea plantation in the surrounding area of meadows.
And wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were close to me. I can't believe what you brought. You took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me.
After relaxing for a while in the Wagman Meadows, we headed towards mythical Thangalpara for a little hike, and it is also considered a pilgrimage site.
You're making me wholehearted. I will always remember it. How you turned everything around. I will always remember it. How you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground. Yeah. You took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted.
There is something magical about the hills. The rolling greens, the cloud-cased peaks, they urge you to walk to the top. It is said that about 800 years ago, Khusrat Sheikh, a Sufi saint, came here with the followers. He stayed on and his teachings were widely accepted.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect.
Adding more to it, one of the three hills around Wagman, the view from the top of Thangalpara is nothing short of mesmerizing. The roads winding up and down, the lush green, the clouds gathering around, you feel you are just one step away from attaining nirvana.
If you stay, stay. If you stay, if you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah. For a little moment, just hold me closer. I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah. For a little moment, just hold me closer. I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. If you stay. Oh, if you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. Yeah, I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll try. What can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Apart from these viewpoints, there are other viewpoints like pine forest and paragliding which you can cover. I wasn't able to cover because of time constraint.
Trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling.
आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर हाँ, so please like, share, subscribe my channel, and for more videos please hit the bell icon. Okay then, bye, take care.